with Tassie!
Welcome back to Alphabet Storytime. Today's tale begins with the dazzling, delightful letter D. Let's say it together. D, D, D. Meet Daisy the dog. She's a dancing superstar. She lives in a dome-shaped house on Disco Drive. One dazzling morning, Daisy had a dream. I'll host the biggest dance party in Alphabet Land. She grabbed her drumsticks and dashed out the door.
Let's call it a plover.
On her way to dance, what did Daisy see? A dinosaur disking so happily. A donut spun round like a record hop. And a duck painted dots. Oh, what a lot.
Finally, Daisy reached the dazzling dance floor. Everyone was there, dancing, drumming, and dreaming big. But banners sparkled. D is for dog, dance, and delight. What a delightful dance day. Daisy the dog showed us how fun the letter D can be. Can you think of more D words? Let's keep exploring.